Welcome to my tech space. On ClubHouse, inviting your friends to join a room is called pinging them in. When you ping a person into a room, they can quickly join the conversation by tapping the notification on their device. When you join ClubHouse and your following starts to grow gradually, you can host conversations and invite people to a room you've started. In ClubHouse app, this is how you ping your followers. And in this video, we will explain exactly how this works. Firstly, start a closed, social, or an open ClubHouse room by tapping on the green button on your home screen that says Start a Room. Before pinging people to join a ClubHouse room that you've started, make sure that you've clearly set the topic for the conversation. Tap in on the type of room you'd like to open. Then tap Choose People. Search and select people you want to invite into the room. ClubHouse will automatically send these users a notification that you have invited them to a specific room. If they choose to join, you'll receive an in-app notification at the top of the screen. Let's talk about joining rooms created by other users now. If the room is an open room, anyone, including audience members, can ping their followers into the room. If the room is a closed or social room, only moderators can ping in their followers. You can join a room by tapping any of the room names on your main feed in the hallway, or start your own room if you'd like to. Once you're in the room, pinging someone is simple. Tap on the plus icon in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Type in your friend's name or select someone from the list. Then ping the other user. This is how you ping the other user. So starting a room on ClubHouse is the easy part. Creating an amazing experience for everyone who's in the audience is a little trickier. The key to creating a room is to be a great moderator. If you learned something new from the video or you enjoyed the content, please hit the like and drop a comment. And remember to subscribe as well, so you won't miss our next video where I'll be answering to more of your technical queries. This is my tech space. Thank you for watching.